Hey guys, Sebastian here. We're at Superior Motorcycle San Jose, home of the lifetime warranty. And with me today I have three beautiful 2019 Indian Scout Bobbers. The reason why I have these guys here with me, we're going to do a little Indian exhaust taste test. If I could have my beautiful camera down here. To begin with, I have this beautiful blue Icon Series Scout Bobber. The Icon Series is one of the rarest colors. Every year they have a new color. This year we were lucky enough to get this beautiful black and blue blend on the bike. So let's begin our exhaust taste test. To begin, there we had the stock exhaust for the 2019 Indian Scout. Beautiful tone, comes from factory, and it looks really good on the bike. Next up, we have the Indian Performance Upgrade, OEM, and it still looks sleek. And lastly, for those of you who like a little bit of spice in your exhaust, we have the Reinhardt Slip-On Upgrade for the 2019 Indian Scout Bobber. Let's give it a hear. That's a spicy meatball. We certainly have a little bit to go for everyone here at Superior Motorcycles. So come on down and check out our 2019 Indian lineup here at Superior Motorcycle San Jose, home of the lifetime warranty.